Morning. It's day 2 of our Italian adventure and we survived the night, so we're now just going down for breakfast. We're all packed again, packed and ready to set off to Tuscany at 11 o'clock. We're going to have breakfast, catch the train and hopefully have no problems. We're going to get taxis to the station because it looks a bit complicated going on the metro or the bus, etc. So let's go and see what breakfast is like. So because we're in the annex next door, we have to come this way, through the back door of the hotel. Morning, Daniel. How are you? We just touch it there. You were doing miraculously. This is the actual hotel part. There's a museum downstairs, but we haven't been in. We don't have time for that sort of thing. Here, and this is sort of a little bar area. It's quite nice, a little boutique hotel really. We had a bottle of wine last night. Here we go, so there's a nice breakfast buffet. This looks nice, freshly fruit, strawberries. Oh, there's some smoked salmon, cheese, hams, croissants, pork sausages. There we go, fabulous. We've had breakfast, it was very nice, apart from Daniel's eggs. How are your eggs, Daniel? They don't look...
I can say, I don't know how to do poached eggs in Italy.
You don't know how to make poached eggs. Maybe you should have gone for sunny side up.
Probably.
Apart from that, how was breakfast?
It's very nice. You have some fresh papaya, pineapple, passion fruit, kiwi.
So smoked salmon was nice.
Soaked salmon was nice.
So we're just having a cup of tea, English breakfast tea, Twinings.
Yeah, prosecco as well.
We've got prosecco too. We're having orange juice, fishy squeezed. It was all very nice. We made it to the station. It's a big station. So we found our platform. It's platform 2. Oh, look who's here. Who's there? Oh, that's not. We're not going to Disney World. So it's a big station. There's a big McDonald's and everything. So we just have a little wander around. We're here far too early, we've got like 40 minutes, but we're not worried about, finding it and missing the train and stuff, because there's only one every 4 hours. And we're on the train at last, and we're moving. 25-minute delay. But we'll see you there. We're nearly there! Hooray!
Are we in Tuscany yet?
Well, we must be in Tuscany now. Let's have a look out the window. Not a lot to see. We've got, hello Daniel. How was the journey?
It's been eventful.
Eventful?
Eventful.
Uneventful.
Eventful.
Uneventful. We're about 20 minutes late, but that's fine. There's no rush. So we're going to have a week in Tuscany. We'll go and see the Tuscan hills. We're on the bus. So we're on the way up and there's some amazing views. It's very hilly. But look at this. A bit fast, but we shall be there in a few minutes. The hills of Tuscany. Hello, it's day 3 of our Tuscany adventure and we come off for the day, but we don't know where we are or what we're doing. But we found a little restaurant stroke wine tasting place. It looks very nice. I mean, look at the view. It's amazing. So all the gang are here, so you've got Phil, Miguel, Daniel, Abba, and we're just sort of, Abba's driving us around Tuscany, and we're just finding what we find. Oh wow, look at this. Winery. And look at this pool and trees, it's beautiful. So this looks very nice, very pleasant for a glass of wine or something. There's all the vineyards over there. Amazing. This is kind of cool, eh, Daniel?
It's very nice. Yeah, in the countryside.
Proper Tuscany. Look at all those wine vineyards, it's amazing. Loads and loads and loads. So hopefully we'll have a nice glass of wine with lunch. Excellent. What do you think, Miguel?
I think I'm ready for food.
Are you hungry? Hungry boy?
Starving.
Well, they're setting the table, so it won't be long. What do you think, Phil? What do you fancy for your lunch?
I don't know. I haven't really had breakfast, so it's maybe brunch or
Brunch.
something.
Do Italians do brunch? Oh, it's beautiful. We found a little waterfall running down. Oh, wrong button. We found a little waterfall running down, which is cute. Love the noise. And then look over here, it's all the vineyards. It's kind of awesome. So, alright, glass of wine I think. So we're all sat waiting for lunch. Daniel, what are you having?
I haven't.
He hasn't. He's looked at the wine. Hey, Abba. Are you having cauliflower?
Absolutely not.
No? What else is there available?
Possibly the risotto.
Oh, there's a few pastas
or
dishes. Isn't
the
there?
hand-rolled picky. It's similar to what we had yesterday with the aglione garlic sauce. But no, not a cauliflower girl.
Not cauliflower
unless
girl.
forced.
What about you, Miguel? Are you a cauliflower girl?
I'm a girl, but not a cauliflower.
I'm glad I know that I was going to be cauliflower for you for.
Well, we do I could do like a really good cauliflower like wing, like a breaded cauliflower wing. We make those really well.
So the wine has arrived. We've got a local wine from the Vineyard at Selma. How is the wine, everyone? What do we think?
Delicious. It's perfect.
Perfect.
Yeah.
That's a high review indeed.
As a non-wine drinker, it was okay.
It was okay. Phil?
The first word that came out of all our mouths was okay, but it is very decent wine.
Decent. Decent. That's decent.
Upgrade to the...
Sounds like Oz Clark.
Yo, we be rolling this place. Why?
Hey, let's try it.
But I normally drink red
Also,
wine.
whenever I'm in their videos, I'm always like, it was okay.
Very nice. Very good.
Every video.
So the food was very good. Unfortunately, I forgot to film the film the food, and we've all eaten it. But it was very good. But Daniel's got some lemon chicken to come, so we'll film that when it arrives.
Of course.
So we've got some. What have you got, Daniel?
Lemon chicken.
Lemon chicken and some salad, and Miguel's got the same. He's got his Aperol Spritz at last. Woohoo! Cheers. Aperol Spritz is in Italy are €5. It's amazing.
Well,
they're basically free.
Everywhere in Italy.
Not in Rome,
Yeah.
but in Tuscany, in less touristy places, very cheap.
When in Tuscany.
But they disapprove of them. They don't like you drinking them. It's dessert time. So what have we got? Let's have a look. So I've got a souffle, chocolate souffle. Miguel, what have you got? It looks intriguing.
Gantucci. It's like a biscotti, but with almond in it.
Okay, and
What's
did you
this?
dip it in the
And
wine?
then there's a wine that comes with it.
Yeah.
Okay.
Is it like a sweet wine? Like an
And
almond?
Abba, let's have a look.
And then
Oh,
me, I have a tiramisu, but it's a tiramisu ice cream.
okay, fabulous.
So a little bit different with obviously a mint on top.
Oh, very cute, very cute.
Aprovecho.
And Daniel's just having another glass of wine, as usual. So lunch has been consumed, and we're now walking it off. So we're going to find the waterfall, the proper waterfall. How was lunch, everyone?
Very good, very good.
Very good.
Walking it off.
Walking off lunch now. It's all rather fabulous. The sun is back out. We had a bit of a cloud, but now we're carrying on. Oh, so these are all the vineyards, vines for the grapes they grow. What a life.
Like, why can't we just get on the tractor?
Suppose it rained yesterday, that's probably why it's soft. Beautiful, wow. Look. Got all this. Fabulous. This is Tuscany, folks. So these views are stunning. I think this is a day we'll all remember anyway.
So when you're in Tuscany, something to do is to have sex in the vineyard.
Sex in the, who's going to have sex in the vineyard?
I'm gonna skip.
Come on,
Just had
Adam.
my dinner. or lunch.
Let's go.
And we're at the top of the hill. And it's just wow. This is life. Come to Tuscany. It's beautiful. We found the waterfall. The camera, there it is. Beautiful. More vineyards. Oh wow, it's so nice.
Well, listen, it's an unexpected thing though. You're not expecting to just see a random waterfall in the middle of a vineyard.
So we've come inside and we found out the wedding venue, which is really nice. If you want to get married, come to Tuscan. Look at the view. This is from inside, which is nice. And then it's all set up, you know, for your special day inside here. And then you can go outside this way. Balcony, see the waterfalls, the vineyards. Amazing. So yeah, we love this place. Very highly recommend if you're in Tuscany.